Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to be looking at the color peak edit. Previously we used the color edit in DevExpress, but this one is more sophisticated. We can use the color from RGB as a pick our color. Let's click it and move over our form 1, and beside this one I would like to add a simple button also. Let's say simple button. And let's do something maybe like this, and I will change our simple button, let's say current color, and now let's resize this one, sorry, and our form 1 also. Now let's click it. We have almost same options like previously, but this time we have a color. We can pick our color. Let's run it first, show you. So as you see that we have web, system and custom, but here we have more colors. Let's click it. Here we can use our RGB models. We can write like a manually 205. It will be red. If it is green 205, then it is green completely. Then we can do for blue 205. We can here choose any color. Totally we can choose 16 million a color. That's this one. As you see that this is our color. But here what we want to do that whenever we select any color, we want our button, simple button for color, to be assigned the color we selected. Let's click our color pick edit, and from events let's remove this one, edit value change. Let's double click it. Now we say simple button for color equal color pick edit color. Now let's run it. Sorry, let's check the color. As you see that our color is selecting. And let's select more. As you see that is selected. And also there is something more I want to show you here. From color text we have an integer. If you press this one, DevExpress, it will give us integer which is equal to our color. If I check it, the white, it should be 0, as you see that. And also let's change from properties the color. Let's put it red. As you see that this is the red color value. It's according to the DevExpress. And that's pretty much it, guys. See you next